Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will be creating and customizing our own hatch pattern and utilizing the SuperHatch function in LusoCAD. Firstly, we will create a new drawing to convert into a block for a hatch pattern. We will create a square with a 100 by 100 dimension. Next, we will rotate it by 45 degrees. We will now add arches to the drawing room using the Start and Radius option in the Arc menu. Each arc will have a radius of 100 and start from each corner to the opposite corner of the rectangle. We will convert this drawing into a block using the Create Block command in the Insert menu. Here, you can input the block name and choose the base point, which will be in the middle of the drawing. Select the object in the Objects section. We will click the Delete option to have the object deleted after the selection. The block has been created. Next, we will create a rectangle with dimensions of 1000 by 1000. This rectangle will be filled with the pattern just created. We go to the Express menu and select SuperHatch. We will be using the block. The previously created block is automatically selected. We accept and choose any point inside the rectangle for the insertion point. For the Y and X scale factor, choose 1 for each and 0 for the rotating angle. Next, choose the points of the pattern. Click each opposing corner of the drawing and click Enter. We are now prompted to click where to input the hatch pattern. Click anywhere inside the rectangle, and the hatch pattern is now visible. That was all for this lesson. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.